Hello, in this video we show you how to remove and replace the front door loudspeaker on Mercedes CLS W219. In order to have access to the loudspeaker, first we need to remove the door panel. First, we'll start by removing these two bolts. If the video is useful, please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel to see more videos like this. Next, we're going to remove this bolt right there and remove this plastic. Next, there are three plastic trims that we need to remove. This is the first one. This is the second plastic trim that we need to remove, and the other one is on top of it. Next, we need to remove two Torx bolts, which are just there, one there, and next to it is the other one. There's another bolt that we need to remove, and it's just there. Next, we're going to remove this plastic that's on the inner side of the wing mirror. And now that all the bolts are removed, we can just pull out the door panel. The door panel now is held by a couple of clips on all sides, but we just need to pull it out and it will come out. That's the door panel out. Now we need to remove the cable for the door handle. And there's also 4 or 5 electrical connectors that we need to disconnect. And now we can remove the door panel. Now that the door panel is removed, we have access to the loudspeaker. The loudspeaker is held by 3 bolts that we need to remove and also an electrical connector. Once we remove the 3 bolts and the connector, then we can take out the loudspeaker and replace it with a new one. Hopefully the video was helpful. Thank you for watching.